We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Email headers must be visually consistent and readable across devices. Gradient presets simplify this process by providing reliable color transitions, enhancing the professional look of business communications. Using RGB adjustments ensures brand colors remain accurate for viewers in the US, UK, and Canada. The gradient is applied subtly behind the header text, guiding attention naturally while reinforcing brand identity. Minor tweaks to stops and opacity ensure the header is neither